Hello children of JV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrahari. Your teacher welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 4, subject science and topic is birds, beaks and claws part 4. Before this session, we have already learnt about birds, their beak and claws. And I hope you have make notes also of this chapter. Today we will do activities and question answer of this chapter. See, fill in the blanks. Birds do not have teeth to eat food. Okay. Second, sunbird sucks nectar from flower. Third, a duck has a dash and a broad beak, flat. A penguin uses its webbed feet to swim. Fifth, dash and jacana are bedding birds. Crane. Okay. So write down on your notebook. Match the pair. Sunbird, probing beak. Eagle, piercing and tearing beak. Parrot, curved beak. Okay. Duck, the beak of duck is shifting beak. Okay. Swallow, sticky beak. Woodpecker have chiseling beak, and pigeon have crushing beak. Okay, note down. Next is tick right the correct option. A sparrow uses its short and hard beak for crushing of grains. A hoop takes out insect and worm from the hole in the ground with the help of its strong, short and straight beak. Okay. Next is a bird that does not have strong and sharp claw is the. See the options. Duck. Okay. Fourth, birds that have two toes pointing upward and two downward are known as scratching birds. Answer the following question. First, name 3 birds of prey. Answer is eagle, vulture and hawk are birds of prey. Eagle, vulture and hawk. What do birds use for preening their feather? Birds uses wax secreted at the base of feather during the process of preening. Write 2 main uses of beak of a bird. First, birds use their beaks to tear, bite and crush the food. Second, some birds use their beak to fight the enemy. How are claws helpful to a bird? The feet and claws can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and perching. How do webbed feet help a duck to swim? Answer is webbed feet help duck to paddle and push the water while swimming. So children, note down all exercise and question answer on your notebook and learn it. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.